Yo, what's good, guys? Deep Effect here again, and it's good to see you guys again. In this video, I'll be talking about how I would learn day trading if I could start all over again as a Nigerian. So learning forex at the beginning was kind of like hard because when I was actually starting, I didn't have a particular mentor or someone I could go to and ask for advice concerning forex when I was actually starting. And that's why I think this video would like help for a lot of beginner traders because they won't like make the same mistakes or the same thing I did when I was actually starting forex. So the first one is finding an expert or finding a mentor that you can rely on and that you can go to for any advice concerning the forex market. And in this process, you like have to know that you have to stick to one mentor. You have to stick to one person that will like be giving you information about the forex market, because like the forex market is wide, and each person have their own particular strategy that works for them. So each particular mentor have his own strategy that works for him, and over the years that have made him profitable in the market. And that's where like I would advise most traders to stick to one mentor when initially starting in the forex market. So in the process of getting a mentor, you have to like know the this learning phase, this initial learning phase that most traders go through, because like it's my years of experience in the market. Like I've come to figure out that they're like learning stages that like every forex trader must actually pass through before becoming a master trader in the forex market. And these stages are the learning stage. So initially, when you come to the forex market, definitely you have to learn how to trade the trend, how to trade support and resistance, how to trade Fibonacci setup, and the likes. So the first stage will be the learning stage, and the second stage will be the testing stage. So after learning this stuff, like you definitely have to test your strategy and you know what works for you. Then after testing this strategy, the third stage will be the profitable stage. So when you become profitable while using this strategy that you've initially learned, then you move to the profitable stage before becoming a master trader. So like these stages are just there to like guide each trader when they are coming into the forex market. And like with my years of experience, like I've come to realize that many traders come into the market with the hope of skipping both this learning and testing stage to actually become profitable. So yeah, coming into the market to skip both the learning stage and the testing stage and just jump to the profitable stage, which is which is kind of like you go into the ocean to just catch fish with your hand. So yeah, so the number one thing I would do if I could start day trading all over again is getting a mentor and avoid skipping these stages that I've initially mentioned. So if I could start forex all over again, yeah, the second thing I would do will be spending more time on demo accounts. Yeah, I know some people will be like tell you like don't spend too much time on demo account. Definitely, you shouldn't spend too much time, because when you are trading demo accounts for long, like you just come to realization that you're not making money off it, and then you lose like the focus and the ego to come into the forex market to actually make money. So what I would basically advise people when trading demo accounts is like trade demo accounts for like maybe 2 3 weeks to a month. Then after trading for like 2 3 weeks to a month, fund the account. Just make sure you fund the account. Even if you are funding a $50 or $100 on the account, make sure you fund it. And after funding, like I'm sure there is like a 80% chance that you're going to blow the account. Definitely, like when I mean blow the account, that is like losing the account. But that would be like a lesson. And if you don't lose the account, definitely it means you have like maxed out some things in the market. In the process of trading this live account that you funded, like when you come back to trading demo, like you come to realization that you have to take the demo account, like you treat the demo money as a live account. So like you do what you do in the live account as what you do in the demo account. So just make sure that when you're trading the demo account, you take it as a live account. The third thing I would do if I was learning day trading all over again would definitely be looking at my losses. Yeah, looking at my losing trade in the market. So like I usually tell people, losses are lessons, and if you like jot down these lessons, if you take note of these losses that you initially made in the forex market, you will know that definitely that when you are going back into this, you don't want to make the initial mistake you made before, because the losses have come and the losses will stick better, even stick better than the winning trade sef in the forex market. So if I was learning day trading all over again, I would definitely care about my losses more, jot down my losses, take note of the mistakes I make in the forex market, and just make sure that I'm not doing the exact same thing I did before that led to a losing trade. The fourth one is studying my winners, studying my winning trades. So definitely after looking over your losing trades, you definitely want to look at your winning trades too, because winners are like the special ones. Winners are the ones that make you happy. Winners are the ones that bring fulfillment and joy when trading. So you definitely want to look at that too. Look at what you did that resulted to a winning trade and everything. So when looking at these winning trades, like you come to a realization that this and this are like what are working better for me. This and this are like what are making me profitable in the forex market. And with due time, you just tend to like figure out the strategy that is working better for you and that is more profitable for you. So the fifth thing I would do if I was learning forex all over again will be to save up more money. Yeah, to save up more money in the sense that I'll avoid things that are unnecessary. So I'll stop buying things that are unnecessary. Like, I don't mean that like you shouldn't buy stuff for yourself. Definitely you should buy stuff for yourself, because yeah, initially you have to wear good clothes, you have to look good and keep good. So avoiding things in the sense that like maybe like changing your phone when it's not even necessary. So like because you see your friend is like your friend or someone closer to you is using a better phone, you just feel the need that, well, I have to change this phone and get a better one to like impress people. So those kind of stuff are like not necessary. So you shouldn't spend money or waste money on those kind of stuff. So definitely you should avoid buying unnecessary stuff, and also sell stuff that you don't need. Yeah, because there are some I'm sure that there are some stuff in your house that you probably don't even use or something. So just make sure you like do away with them, sell them if the need arise, or give it out self, and just make sure that you have enough funds to cover the needs in the forex market when you're actually starting. So the sixth one is focusing on the process. Yeah, so like I previously mentioned, the process are like the learning, testing, profitable, and the master stage are part of the process that you need to focus on, because like in the same time, money traders just come into the forex market with the goal of making money, like making money in the forex market. So definitely you should avoid thinking about money they're going to make out of the forex market all the time, because at the end of the day, you definitely make this money. And let's take for instance, like I place a buy trade. Let's say I place a buy trade, and the trade was going in profit, and I'm seeing like $500 profit. Like there will be this urge for you to just take the profit, that moment, because you won't be patient enough to see your trade play out. Let's say after I take this $500 profit that I've initially made, you just find out that the trade continues going up, and you'll be like, whoa, I could have made $1,000 or even more on this trade if I had waited more and I have been patient. So when learning day trading, make sure that you are actually focused on the process. So the seventh one and the last one is studying market structure. Yeah, so definitely you have to study the market structure. When I was initially starting, all that was in my head was the trend. You have to follow the trend. Buy when the market is going up and sell when the market is going down. So definitely you go with the trend, because like I'm not saying you shouldn't go with the trend. Yeah, you should go with the trend, but there are plenty of stuff in the forex market apart from the trend. So you just have to learn market structure. Studying the market structure in the sense that you definitely have to learn price action. You definitely have to learn support and resistance. You have to learn the retest. You have to learn psychological zone and the rest. So not only like early emphasis on the trend, just make sure you know the market structure and study how the price move when you're learning forex. So yes, I think this is like pretty much the major thing I would do if I was going to learn day trading all over again. Yeah, okay, yeah, the last one I would suggest is controlling your risks. Yeah, so you definitely have to control your risks also when learning. That is like after you fund the live account, you have to know how much you are taking off the forex markets, and avoid being greedy. and everything. And I believe that like if you stick to these stages and processes when learning in the forex market, like there's no how you will not be profitable at the end of the day. You will definitely become a master trader. So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you have any suggestion whatsoever or anything that you think I did like clear emphasis on, just make sure you drop your comments down below. So I'll be talking about them in other videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as more amazing content will be dropping. And do it to also check out my other videos too. They are very informative, and I think they will help many beginner traders. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.